Are you struggling to capture leads effectively? You're not alone. Many businesses face the challenge of integrating video content into their marketing strategies. Wistia and Adobe Marketo Engage provide the perfect solution. With seamless integration, you can capture leads from your videos and webinars effortlessly. First, you can add custom lead capture forms directly into your videos. This means every viewer interaction could turn into a new lead. Second, you'll enhance your follow-up strategies by automatically syncing engagement data for targeted outreach. Lastly, experience smarter segmentation and lead scoring with detailed viewer metrics. What sets this integration apart is its ability to combine video data with powerful marketing automation. Don't miss out on maximizing your leads. Start using Wistia's Adobe Marketo Engage integration today. Visit our website to get started.